Hi, friends. I want to just say happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you all are having a beautiful time, whether you're alone and relaxing in your house with a candle and a nice cup of tea or a nice cocktail, or you have total chaos going on with all the family there. I hope whatever that you are doing, that you're highly blessed, that you're feeling good, and that you really take the time to rest, enjoy the holiday, and to know that you're in my prayers and my thoughts. And I love you all. And I just wanted to send this quick message to say happy Thanksgiving. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to just put some footage here of just kind of previous Thanksgivings or previous holiday content that you and I have been experienced and shared over the years, because I feel like this is just kind of a good time to reflect also. So I want to share with you the things that I am grateful and thankful for is you. And this is kind of our little kind of look down memory lane. So I hope you will enjoy. So friends, again, I want to say have a beautiful Thanksgiving. I hope you have enjoyed the throwback and looking back. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.